and I don't like to be preachy, but there's got to be a huge ethical problem in this profession. I'm possibly the only person in this room old enough to remember when auditors and accountants were considered the most boring people in the world, and were lampooned in by thousands of comedians for being so, and when they were feared. You know, the auditor is coming. Even if you didn't have any reason to believe that you'd done anything wrong, you were sure that they were going to find you'd done something wrong. It was a bit like passing the customs and excise desk at the airport. Even though you didn't think you had anything to fear, you feared nevertheless that you were going to get caught. And that has changed from a situation, it seems to me, where instead of being the watchdogs of business, auditors and accountants, and I'm making sure that I understand the difference, are business people in their own right. Their suits are as sharp, their headquarters are as opulent, and their salaries are as large, for the most part, as the people that they're auditing. And that never used to be the case. You know, I think of accounting, when I think of accounting, I think of accountability. This was the profession that held powerful people and powerful institutions accountable. And they're now simply businessmen. And, you know, Bernard said something about independence, that if you were not satisfied by being the businessman who headed, or businesswoman really, who headed one of the big accounting firms, well, you could leverage your position as the head of an accounting firm into becoming the head of a listed company. You know, it's not an accident that I think about 50% of the CEOs of the FTSE 100 are people from the auditing profession. And it's interesting that 50% of the 4 big firms globally